And now let's jump to the text reveal effect. So first of all, let me add default text. So guys, I have added the text, bring the image of the cat and let it be overlay the text. Then click keyframe and move the cat bit by bit with the text, adding keyframe at the end of the image, then move the cat till the end of the text. Now let me play it once and show you. As you see, the text is revealed behind the cat movement. Follow up to learn the next skill of using keyframes in the next lecture. Stay tuned till next lecture. Learning is like rowing upstream. Not to advance is to drop back. Now let's move on to a super cool thing you can do with keyframes, which is animations. So for this example, I found this map of the world here, and I also grabbed a PNG airplane. So I'm just going to put this overlay right over the top of our map in Australia, resize it to fit the map, and what we can actually do is with keyframes be able to fly this plane to America in just a few seconds on the map and make it look like a cool kind of travel video. So I'm going to click keyframe at the start of the plane image, then move the plane to the exact location of USA, and the software automatically put a keyframe. And now, when we click play on this video, the airplane flies to its destination. That's amazing, isn't it? But that's just one type of animation. You can take this to a whole other level. So I found this stock image of the man, and I'm just going to make him cross the whole world. What we're going to do with the keyframes, we are going to animate him walking around here. So all I'm going to do is click keyframe, scroll ahead a little bit, going to move him up and down, like I'm taking little steps here up and down. You want to go very slowly walking across the screen. And now this is what we have using the keyframes. We have animated walking across the world. We could do whatever we want with this, and you could literally make fun little animations of just pasting your head onto someone's body, moving different characters around the screen and giving them voices and stuff like this is a whole lot of fun. I love doing this inside of CapCut. Follow up to learn the next skill of using keyframes in the next lecture. Stay tuned till next lecture. Learning is like rowing upstream. Not to advance is to drop back. All right, let's move to a little bit more of a serious effect here, which is tracking people using keyframes. I just found this stock clip of people walking in a street, and what I actually saw is this person in blue t-shirt stops to let people pass, and we want to track this person. What we could actually do is click a keyframe, and we'll scroll ahead and click another keyframe, and we're going to zoom in here, scroll over to this man with his bag, who is probably a very moral person, and then as he starts to move, we are just going to follow him. And as CapCut just auto places a keyframe, we can scroll ahead a bit and scroll down a bit, scroll ahead a bit, scroll down a bit. We're just going to try and keep him as centered as possible, just every little bit. We're going to try and keep him at the center of the frame. There we go. We're just going to keep repeating this process till we get to the end of the clip. And now we have this effect.
Something in you, lit up heaven in me. The feeling won't let me.
Boom, we have locked onto the target. He's making a stop for it. We need to follow him.
The way you move.
So a very fun effect, especially if you film something interesting happens in the background that you want to track around. You can use keyframes to be able to do something like this. And that's the end of our lecture. Go on for more tips and tricks to master editing using CapCut and act as a professional video editor. See you next lecture. Follow up to the next lecture to learn the skill of mastering making in CapCut. Stay tuned till next lecture. Learning is like rowing upstream. Not to advance is to drop back.